One automated machine liberates 15 manpower.
Really?
Yes.
How?
Today, let's find out how to use low-cost automated equipment to replace high labor cost. Okay, let's go. Typing equipment is an important equipment in the metal processing process. Fully automatic typing machines are widely used in metal, automobile, and other fields, and have the functions of drawing, typing, turning, mirroring, grinding, and inspection. It can be used to type and type parts such as fasteners, steam cylinder parts, new energy parts, and medical parts. This is the automated typing machine. It can do 2 manually in a minute, but the machine can make 30 files in a minute. The loading and unloading are all fully automatic, with vibrating plate loading, spring tube feeding. A transfer machine can do about 20,000 pieces. One person can operate 20 units of equipment at the same time, greatly saving labor costs.
Here is a fully automatic typing machine's workshop.
Here is assembly workshop.
Look, there are all kinds of automatic typing machines here. There are single axis, 3 axis, vertical, horizontal, etc., which can meet the typing needs of different scenarios.
Here is assembly step.
It looks so complicated.
No. In fact, there are just 6 parts composed: sheet metal casing, motor head, castings, industrial control system, pneumatic system, and electrical system. Reasonable structure, easy to use. Without a doubt, there is a very important step after the equipment installation: commissioning. Whether the vibration intensity is appropriate, etc. Ensure that the automatic feeding runs smoothly and the verticality of the product thread is normal.
It's worth mentioning that this system is very complete and fully self-developed. Various processing parameters can be adjusted as needed, and the processing status can be monitored in real time. If there are empty materials, reverse materials, etc., an early warning can be given. In addition, it can automatically adjust the processing status according to the working conditions to ensure the processing quality. Manual typing is only 2 pieces per minute, but the automatic equipment is up to 30, and the equipment is just $1,000.
Yeah, in the long run, compared to manual labor, automation can improve the production efficiency and the quality. Well, that's the end of today's video. I'm Sasa.
Lucas.
Want to know more about automation factories? Subscribe to keep following us. See you next time.
See you.